Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Kortex. Notion is a highly flexible all-in-one workspace, perfect for managing diverse projects, notes, and team collaboration. Kortex, on the other hand, is designed as an AI-powered second brain, focusing on capturing ideas, organizing knowledge, and streamlining the writing process. We will explore their unique strengths to help you decide which platform aligns best with your productivity goals. Notion excels with its incredible versatility, offering a customizable workspace for almost any need. Its powerful database system allows you to build tailored solutions for project management, content calendars, or CRM, with multiple views like tables and Kanban boards. Teams can collaborate seamlessly, sharing pages and adding comments. The free plan supports up to 10 guests, while paid plans offer unlimited blocks and up to 100 guest collaborators, making it ideal for growing teams. 2, 3, 6. Kortex shines as an AI-powered second brain, specifically crafted for deep thinkers and writers. Its capture feature allows you to quickly jot down ideas with tags, ensuring nothing is lost. Kortex uses elements to structure your notes and projects, offering a streamlined approach compared to more complex tools. With advanced AI capabilities, it can summarize content, generate study notes, and even extract key insights from YouTube videos, fostering long-term knowledge retention and accelerating your writing process. 1, 9, 18, 21, 24. Deciding between Notion and Kortex depends entirely on your primary needs. If you require an all-encompassing workspace for team projects, extensive databases, and highly customizable workflows, Notion is likely your best fit. However, if your focus is on personal knowledge management, deep learning, efficient idea capture, and accelerating your writing, Kortex offers a more specialized and streamlined experience. Both have free tiers, with Notion's paid plans starting around $10 per user monthly, and Kortex's AI features costing about $10 monthly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 18, 21.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.